When evaluating a spirit, you're looking for 4 key elements. You're looking for color, aroma, legs, and flavor. This is Appleton Estate Reserve, a blend of 20 different hand-selected, estate-produced aged rums. First, you look at the color. You see natural, soft topaz colors from the oak barrel aging. Then you go for the aroma. Be careful, don't go in too deep, just go soft. You get some fine nuances of honey, orange peel, vanilla. Next, we want to look at legs. Take the glass, give it a nice little swirl. When you hold it up, you see the nice legs coming down the side of the glass, which shows a good amount of time in barrel aging and shows quality of spirit. Next is flavor. What you want to do is take a nice sip, put it across your gums, wash it around your mouth a little bit, and then evaluate. A nice full-bodied rum with notes of butterscotch and orange peel. I'm going to drop an ice cube. This technique really brings out the flavors. Appleton Estate Reserve, as sophisticated as fine bourbons and scotches.